How are you? Thank you so much for all of my LinkedIn participants. Each and every one of you mean a lot to me. Thanks for letting me know that not only do you use LinkedIn a lot, but that you use Instagram a lot. Now, I've had a 6-month journey of rebranding my message on Instagram. I'm going to tell you how I got started and what I'm doing now. I use Instagram for business. I've been able, even within this recession and COVID-19 happening, I've still been able to attract leads to my business and get customers from Instagram alone, in addition to LinkedIn. But today I'll focus on LinkedIn and how it can help you, whether you are an employee, you're trying to be a social influencer, or you're trying to attract people to your products and services with time. Now, LinkedIn is more informational. It's a business platform. Instagram is much more personal with stories and the ability to share more personal videos, etc. So the mindset of people on Instagram is they want to feel a little bit more connected. They want to see more videos. They want to see pictures that resonate with who you are and what you can do to help. And I know I bring up these three topics a lot, or strategies a lot, is to inspire, educate, and entertain with every post that you do on Instagram. So some of the mistakes that I see people on Instagram doing is exaggerating the truth, or just focusing on how great their lifestyle is or how great they are. I do see some companies kind of just posting products and services every day on the timeline, and just from a personal perspective, even if I had no experience in branding and marketing and business, if I was just a regular consumer and every time I opened up my app from you and all I saw was how amazing your life is or your products and services, I would probably continue to follow you, but I would actually turn to your competitor or somebody who's doing exactly what you're doing, and I would follow them because they're entertaining, they're educating, and they are inspiring me every single day. So with Instagram, you want to take advantage of stories, show people what you're doing behind the scenes, show people what's happening on other apps. For example, I'll just give you some examples. Sometimes when I have really interesting moments on LinkedIn, I share that on my Instagram stories. My stories, I always recap on a Friday telling everybody, thank you so much for watching my videos and reading my content. I hope you have a good weekend. And I try to create a real personal connection on Instagram because that's what people are looking for on the platform. The other thing that I want to stress as well when it comes to Instagram is having a strategy as far as how many times you're going to post per day on both your stories and your profile. You want to also keep in mind that if you want to attract opportunities not just from a certain age group or a certain group of people, that you're talking to them through everything that you do as far as a video and a text post is concerned. Because everything that you share on the internet, it's a conversation, it's an expression, it's a piece of communication. And on Instagram, people are really looking to follow people that can make them feel good, that can answer a question to a problem that they have, or motivate them to do something. So keep that in mind. The other part of Instagram, as with every other social media platform, is you want to take the time to get to know your followers. And when I say that, I don't mean if you're following 5,000 people that you now have to get your app open and start, sending messages to 5,000 people in one day. Not exactly. You check your timeline and you, just like LinkedIn, you comment, you like, you share people's posts. You can direct message people if you're on their stories and let them know what you think about their posts, even if it's just like, congratulations on your birthday, or congratulations on selling that house, if it's a realtor, for example, that you're communicating with, and just really having an organic, friendly, warm conversation with your connections on Instagram. I know a lot of people, I remember about 9 months ago, I started seeing my timeline with some people complaining about the algorithm on Instagram and that their posts are not being shown by as many people. And I'll be transparent with you with that. Yes, there are different shifts and transitions when it comes to social media. As we all know, when we were all starting on Twitter, and we were all starting on Facebook, you know, the algorithm is great. So our posts were being shown to hundreds of people within minutes, within hours. And now Twitter, obviously, and Facebook, it's oversaturated. So you're not going to get as much reach. But you know what is fundamentally true when it comes to content creation and social media is the quality of your message. It does not matter if the algorithm is not good on Instagram, or whether the algorithm isn't great on Facebook or Twitter. It's always going to be about your message, how you're connecting with people. Do people feel like they can trust you? Do people feel like they can reach out to you? You have to think about that. No matter what's going on with the algorithm, your message, your ability to connect with people, the way that you communicate, and how sincere and transparent you are with your audience, you will see success on Instagram. So I hope this video helps. I'll continue to come up with some more ideas on what to share next. And if you have any questions, feedback, or concerns or ideas, post it in the comments below or send me a direct message. And if you're new to my page, click the follow button. Stay tuned. Take care.